Good afternoon, students. Today we discuss about remedial measures of poverty. Already in previous class we discussed about what are the main causes for the poverty. So many causes have to day increase in the poverty level in our India, and which type of measures we have to take to overcome the poverty, and which type of measures taken by the government to completely eradicate the incidence of poverty in our India. So let me discuss about this remedial measures of poverty. And first of all, poverty means this is the social and economic phenomenon. So social and economic phenomenon. Actually, in which sections they are not unable to get minimum needs, and minimum needs also they are not unable to satisfy. That persons are known as the type of sections are known as the below poverty level, the poorest of the poor. Okay, so to overcome this poverty level, so many measures taken by the government through the 5th year plans. First of all, the first one is the Resource and Income Development Program. Resource and Income Development Program means through this program to completely utilize the resource and to improve the income of the poor sections in the economy. So in villages as well as urban areas. Due to this program, first one is the Small Farmers Development Agencies. Small Farmers Development Agencies, SFDA. Small Farmers Development Agencies. Why? Because some farmers in rural areas, they have only small portion of the land. So that people are completely living in poor condition. So to overcome that poor condition, Small Farmers Development Agencies. So this is one of the program to improve the income of the small farmers. And next one is the MFAI, Marginal Farmers Agricultural Labours Development Agencies. Actually, marginal marginal farmers and agriculture labor agencies, through this program, who are the marginal farmers, and especially agriculture laborers, means they won't have own land, but they are depend on agricultural activities, and they are working as agricultural laborers in other persons field. So these persons are known as the agricultural labor. Only with labor only they are getting substance. So this is the Small Farmers Agricultural Labours Program Agencies. And next one is the Integrated Rural Development Program. Integrated Rural Development Program means where introduced to deliver the resource and income of the rural poor, especially in rural areas. To Integrated Rural Development Program implemented by the government to overcome the poorest of the poor. And next one is the Special Area Programs. Special Area Programs mean throughout India different areas have, some are completely developed areas, some are developing areas, and some are completely in backward position, poor conditions. So the government first pick up the special areas, which areas are completely in underground level. So especially these drought prone areas and hilly areas, and especially these desert areas. This type of area selected by the government, and special programs implemented to develop this type of areas. So through the 5th year plans, and next one is the DTAP, Desert drought prone area programs. And next one is the DDP, Desert Development Program. And actually in desert development, desert areas, agriculture, these land not suitable for agricultural development purpose as well as industrial development purpose and service sector development purpose also. So, which type of measures to take to develop these areas? So, that's why the government special program, desert development program undertaken by the government. And next one is the hilly areas, especially these SC, ST, tribal. These are these total sections of the people. They are living in hilly areas, in forestry areas. So actually these areas completely in backward position and poor condition, no infrastructure facilities, no development, and their income level also very less to compare the another urban people. So especially the government undertaken these hilly areas and hilly development programs introduced by the government. These are the special area programs, drought prone area programs, desert development area programs, and hilly development area programs. And next one is the employment generation program. Employment is compulsory. Actually, according to economists, if we reach the economic development, automatically unemployment as well as poverty removal from our economy. So, to remove the unemployment and poverty, only way to improve the employment generation programs. Employment generation programs are necessary. Why? Because in rural areas they won't have enough work to do, especially in agricultural land, especially 4 to 8 months only they employed, remaining time they are became unemployed. So additional earning resource, we have the government decided to show the additional earning resource. That is one of the program. This is the through this program National Rural Employment Program. Total National Rural Employment Program. And next one are the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Integrated Employment Guarantee Program. This is the another program in central government implemented. Next one is the RLEGP, Rural Labor Employment Guarantee Program. Especially poverty is high incidence in rural areas. That's why this program implemented. Next one, Food for Work program. Food for Work program and Prime Minister Integrated Urban Poverty Eradicated Program. Why? Because not only in rural areas, in urban areas also 13% of the people are living in below poverty level. So actually they are working in different type of industries and different type of as a labors. They are doing their work as a daily labors. So rickshaw pullers. So like that the government for the development purpose, here is the program Prime Minister Integrated Urban Poverty Eradicated Program. Prime Minister Integrated Urban Poverty Eradicated Program. It is one of the important program to remove all the urban areas poorness. And next one is the Minimum Needs Program. Minimum Needs Program of the 20 points program. Actually, to minimum needs, to provide essential needs. What are the main essential needs? And the first one is the through this 20 points program to improve, for example, education, health, safe drinking water, and minimum primary and healthcare centers, means hospitals, and transport, marketing system, infrastructure. These are the minimum needs. So these are minimum needs are essential to overcome the poverty. So the government taken this minimum needs and 20 points program to improve their economical condition, to improve their living standard of the poor sections. Okay, and next one is the other measures also taken by the government. First of all, in our India, actually high incidence of the poverty in rural areas, and the rural areas primary occupation is agriculture. So many people are living on agriculture but from the agriculture income level is very less. Actually in national income the share of the agriculture is very less, dependency on agriculture is high. That's why to completely adapt the new patterns and new techniques, methods to implement to improve the agriculture productivity is essential. And next one is the increasing the productivity and job equality unorganized sectors. So and next one is the improving the share of the wages, and means laborers are working in agriculture, industrial and service sector also. So to improve their wages, to improve, when we improve their wages level, their economic conditions somewhat improves. So their living standard increases automatically, their poverty incidence of removals. And the next one is the empowering the poorest of the poor with the better education. Why? Because in rural areas actually 25% of the total poor people living in the rural areas. So in rural areas, to overcome this poverty level, to completely reduce the poverty in rural areas, especially special programs are essential. Health education, better education is create the additional productivity. To improve the human resources are essential for the improvement of productivity from agriculture and industrial service sector also. So that's why better education, quality education is very important. And next one is the skills formation programs. And next one, improve the IT sector. So IT sector, information technology, through so many employment opportunities. So expand these all programs throughout India, the poorest conditions somewhat removal from the economy. And actually through this national rural employment programs, to every person to provide the employment for all sections, it is one of the important aspects to remove the poverty. These are the remedial measures to control the poverty. First one, resource and income development programs. Through this resource and income development program, small farmers development agencies. Next one, marginal farmers agricultural agencies. Next one, integrated rural development program. And the second point is the special area development program. DPAP, desert development program, and drought prone area program, and hilly development program. Next, employment generation programs. National Rural Employment Program. And the next one is the Prime Minister National Rural Employment Guarantee Program. And next one is the Rural Labor Employment Guarantee Program. And next one is Urban Work Program. And Prime Minister Integrated Urban Poverty Eradicated Program are the essential programs. And next one, the minimum program, minimum needs program. Through the minimum needs to provide education, health, better sanitation, all this infrastructure. Minimum needs, these are to provide the poor sections to overcome the incidence of poverty in our India. So students, thank you. Tomorrow we discuss another topic. Okay.